Are you ready? Your engine's running?
Ah.
Throttle's up?
Where do you see that?
The
Yeah,
RPS?
throttles. RPS is at 0.
So your engine's not running.
There, now it's on.
Okay, and then throttle's up.
Yep.
Okay. On 3, we'll push 4.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Let the race begin.
Yep.
So I'm watching you to see when you start the turn. There you go. Because I don't want to run into you. But taking the outside lane gives me more speed, right?
Careful of that bump.
They are quite the bumps. Quite the curves right there. Oh geez, you slowed down for that one.
Where you at?
Look in your mirror. I'm behind you.
You trying to crash?
No,
Mr.
I'm
Shoe?
trying not to crash. But I'm also trying to get ahead of you.
Why'd you get that close to me?
I'm trying to get ahead of you. 3 laps, right?
Yep.
Oh gosh.
And you're getting pwned. With your little pixelated truck behind me.
Here, I'll take you on this turn. Oh goodness, maybe I won't. It's so difficult to pass. See, it does some weird things with your truck. Alright, inside. Inside, gaining. Oh, you slowed down. Oh.
Whoa! What kind of race is this, Joshua?
It's got
You
obstacles.
sabotaged. You sabotaged.
There's an entry over here. Just start your truck. There's an entry right in front of you. Sabotaged. Oh gosh.
You
That's
like
called,
doing that?
That's a natural disaster. That is not sabotage. Alright, I'm gonna get ahead of you. I'm not in a good position to get ahead of you. I guess I'll just run into you.
I'm straight. Never gonna pass this, Mr. Shoe.
This is the second lap, so there's only one more lap to pass you.
Uh-huh.
Can you imagine this with like 4 or 5 of us?
How many people are allowed in this game?
You can have up to 30.
Oh, wow.
Alright, let me pass. Oh jeez. You scared me! And the track is clean too.
It's been cleaned from the water.
Mm-hmm.
Oh no.
Alright. Oh no. Wow.
Sabotage.
Here we go, here we go! Get over. You cheater. You can't do that. That's not fair racing.
You tried to pass me.
That's right, I'm trying to pass you.
Oh.
Alright. That's what you get for trying to sabotage me.
Not even.
Well, I'm going to take the first place winning cup. And
I
here
won
we
all
go.
the other races.
Yeah. First place. Take that.